Here are some art and crafts ideas which you can do at home. 1. Paper quilling, unfurling artistic intricacy. Bring a visit into imaginative intricacy with paper quilling, a complex art that involves molding slim paper strips into charming examples. With a quilling device, paste, and hued paper strips, you can make wonderful botanical examples and complex plans. 2. Mason jar lanterns, crafting illuminated ambience. With just the right amount of creative mind, transform plain bricklayer containers into beguiling lights. Painting the containers in splendid varieties, encasing them in tissue paper, and embedding a tea light are the basic strides of this art. What was the result? 3D embroidery, stitching narratives with needle and thread. Step inside the always getting through universe of weaving, where the creative dance of needle and string recounts stories. You can investigate various roads with respect to various secure plans using texture, a winding around circle, needles, and different splendid strings. From clear backstitching to complex glossy silk fastens, the conceivable outcomes are unfathomable. Change regular things like pads and purses into altered showstoppers to bring specially crafted plus into your home. 4. Decoupage magic, resurrecting the extraordinary. The enchanting specialty of decoupage can give the customary a renewed outlook. Adding patterns from magazines, papers, or pretty paper to surfaces using layers of stain is part of this process. Decoupage brings your environment back to life, whether it's a plain wooden box or a household item that has become depleted. Pick a subject that influences you and witness your creation form into an extraordinary masterpiece. 5. Terra gardens, green oases indoors. Carry nature inside with the superb art of making terrarium gardens. Select a glass compartment, layer it with stones, charcoal, soil, and your decision of little plants. Succulents and air plants flourish in this climate, requiring negligible support. Plan your smaller than usual biological system with improving rocks or minuscule dolls, adding a dash of vegetation to your space while encouraging a quiet climate. 6. No-sew fleece blankets, cozy comfort without the needle. For the individuals who desire the glow of innovativeness without the fight of sewing, no-sew wool covers are the response. Pick 2 differentiating downy textures, cut periphery along the edges, and tie the edges together to make a warm and comfortable cover. This venture gives solace as well as considers customization regarding varieties and examples, making it a superb and down-to-earth create for all. 7. Beaded jewelry, adorning yourself with art. Make your own remarkable beaded jewelry, arm groups, adornments, and studs by exploring the beading and wire creating. With various globules in various tones and shapes, and some fundamental stuff like wire cutters and forceps.